Hi, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. These are the files you will receive when you purchase the templates. There are 2 templates for Microsoft Excel and 4 templates for Microsoft Word. The templates have been named and labeled accordingly, Excel and Word templates. And we have the label for estimate or invoice on each one of the files. The main difference between Excel and Word templates is the auto calculation for totals. And I will show you how simple it is to start using the templates. Let's begin with a Microsoft Excel invoice. I'll use the invoice simple. When you open the file, you can start using it right away. I would recommend the first time you use the files to customize the information pertaining to your specific business. Then save this file as a blank template. This way it will help you next time you need to create an invoice or an estimate. You will only need to change the specifics for the invoice or for the estimate accordingly, such as the customer information, products, and details. When you change or update the information, remember to update the information at the bottom of the page, especially with your company name and your website address. Using the Excel file, you can double-click any field or any cell, and you can enter your business-specific information, like my own business name. You can change all the information, such as the address, city, state, phone number, invoice number. The date is automatically updated. Every time you open the file, it will automatically update the date. The logo, if you would like to update it, just right-click the logo, and you can change the picture and follow the prompts here. You can replace it from a file on the device, and depending on your version of Microsoft Excel or Word, you will have different options. The main difference between Excel and Word is the automatic calculation, and we'll do a couple of products here. I'll try to service at $35 a unit price, and here it will calculate the total for you. Design 95. Okay, let's say we don't use these ones here. We can just delete them, and it will automatically calculate the subtotal, taxes, and total. If you need to change the tax rate, you can always change it here. Make sure it's percentage, and it will update automatically the fields. If you don't need taxes, just enter 0% here, and the taxes will be 0. So it will automatically just give you the total without taxes. If you need to enter any notes for the invoice, you can enter notes here. Okay. And something people like to do is to customize the colors. Fonts, you can always use your Microsoft Excel to change your colors, the options, the fonts. The background color is pretty simple. If you use the fill color tool, you can change the color here. So brown. You can change the colors there. For the estimate, Excel estimate, it works the same. All the information, it can be customized, and it will be automatically calculated. Here, all the information works the same. For Microsoft Word is easier to use and is more straightforward. If you select and you change, you can change the information. Same for the date. It will automatically update the date for you. And you can enter address. Okay, the project information, customer name, and the customer information. The main difference between the two types of files is the auto calculation. If you use here tool, corporate design 35, you can see it's not automatically calculated. And this one is non-taxable, so we'll have a total of $70. All the numbers, they have to be manually entered. It's easier to use, but the auto calculation is made by Microsoft Excel. Standard. Right. Okay, it's not taxable. That would be 295.00. Okay. And same here, we can delete it. It will give us the space here to type the subtotal. Okay, there are no taxes. And 365. Okay. Same here, we recommend saving the blank template and then using that blank template to update just the fields you need to update. And the colors, they can be changed. Double clicking, and you can change effects, outline, colors using the word tools. Okay, in here there are different colors depending on your version of Microsoft Word. You can change colors, customize the design. Thank you for taking the time, and we hope you enjoy the templates. Have a blessed day.